Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your PC. First, make sure your computer actually supports Bluetooth. Most modern laptops and many desktops do, but some older models might need an adapter. Also, confirm your mouse has fresh batteries and is powered on. Keep the mouse close to your computer, ideally within 1 meter, to ensure a strong initial connection. This setup will make the pairing process much smoother and quicker for you. Now, let's get your computer ready. On Windows, open your Start menu and click on the Settings gear icon. From there, select Bluetooth and Devices or simply Devices. You'll see a toggle switch for Bluetooth. Make sure it's set to On. If you don't see this option, your PC might not have built-in Bluetooth, and you'll need a USB Bluetooth adapter, which are readily available for around $10 to $20. With Bluetooth enabled on your PC, it's time to pair your mouse. First, put your mouse into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing and holding a small button on the bottom for a few seconds until an indicator light flashes. Back on your PC, click Add Device in the Bluetooth settings, then select Bluetooth. Your mouse should appear in the list. Click on it and follow any simple on-screen instructions to finalize the connection. You'll be navigating wirelessly in no time. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, there are a few quick fixes. A simple restart of both your PC and the mouse can often resolve minor glitches. You might also want to check for updated Bluetooth drivers through your computer's device manager. If the mouse still isn't connecting, try removing it from your paired devices list and then re-adding it. Finally, if possible, test the mouse with another Bluetooth-enabled device to confirm it's working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.